Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice using your Zojirushi rice cooker. First, gather your ingredients: the rice you wish to cook, fresh water, and your Zojirushi appliance. Use the measuring cup that came with your cooker to accurately measure your desired amount of rice, ensuring it is level. Then, rinse the rice in a separate bowl under cool water, gently swirling it until the water runs mostly clear, which usually takes about 2 or 3 rinses. Next, carefully transfer the rinsed rice into the inner cooking pot of your Zojirushi. Now, add water up to the specific line marked inside the pot that corresponds to the type and quantity of rice you are cooking. For example, if you used 3 cups of white rice, fill to the line marked 3 for white rice. Before placing it in the cooker, make sure the outside of the pot is completely clean and dry. With the water and rice in place, carefully set the inner pot into the main body of the Zojirushi rice cooker. Close the lid firmly, ensuring it clicks into position. Now, select the correct cooking menu for your rice. For instance, choose white rice or brown rice from the options. Finally, press the start button and let the cooker work its magic, completing the entire cooking cycle automatically. After the cooking cycle finishes and the keep warm function activates, allow the rice to rest for an additional 10 to 15 minutes with the lid closed. This resting period helps the rice grains firm up. Then, open the lid and use the provided serving paddle to gently fluff the rice, separating the grains. Your perfectly cooked rice is now ready to be served and enjoyed, or kept warm for later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.